everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the talking voice on your LG TV. So I'm going to open up the settings. So I have the game optimizer open up, so I'm going to go to all settings. And on the left side of the screen, we should be able to see everything. We just want to go down to General right here and select this and go to Accessibilities. And then we will have the audio guidance right here, guide menus and operations with voice for visually impaired viewers to use. So you might have this just talking to you. Just turn this off right here, and it should be off to the left, and then you won't hear any of those voices talking to you. Now we can scroll on down through here and we can look at all the different options for accessibilities too. Maybe you want closed captions off or sign language zoom, etc. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixTech.